Babaunan ko na lang siguro si Ayan nito. Ano siya, cookies? Tatry ko i-air fry. Ilan nito? Hindi ko sabing bilangin mo.
Bukas kasi pasukan na ni Louie. So, ayusin ko na yung mga gamit niya. Hanggang 4:30 na si Louie. Walang maldita dito sa bahay. Science of Managing Forests, Tree, Plantations, and Related Natural Resources.
Botany?
No? Forest.
Forestology?
The study of plant and animal cells.
Cytology?
Yon! Which,
It's
pati ako na, H-theology. Hirap naman kasi.
Good morning guys and girls. Si Bia masakit yung katawan kaya ako muna. Kaya ay nagluto lang ako nito, chicken karaage. Nagulat ako. Meron na pala yung Nescafe, sugar free. Wala, share ko. Naliligo ba si Ayi? Kaya ready mo na tayo ng pagkain niya. Lunch. Bang kakainin niya. Hintayin ko na lang siguro. Babaunan ko na lang siguro si Ayi nito. Chocolate chip. Ano siya, cookies na frozen. Pero syempre, hindi niya ito babaunan. Ng frozen. Ano to? Tatry ko i-air fry. Mets Haven. Dalawa siguro.
Mommy's not feeling up.
Masakit yung katawan ni mami mo.
Ano yung ano?
Cookies.
Huh?
Cookies.
How's that cookies?
Ano?
Bake?
Yeah, you're gonna bake it. Alan?
But it's gonna be flat. 4?
Tatlo lang.
Ano ba talaga?
Sige. Gawin natin yung 4. Tingnan natin kung kakasya kasi magpa-flip.
4 na lang.
Okay. Okay, magsuklay ka na.
Wait. Which one are you gonna choose?
Ano ba yung... Ikaw na nga lang. Wala ka. Hindi, ang ulam mo yun, yung chicken.
And you watch my ulam for school.
Ayun.
The same pa rin.
Ang gusto mong ulam today?
Hindi ko alam.
Gusto mo corned beef?
Sige.
Saglit lang naman yun.
Ha?
Saglit lang naman.
Okay.
Magsuklay ka na dyan. Mag-ayos ka na ha.
Pero sa brush pa rin. Wait, I think I forgot my...
Tulala sa isang tabi. Ati
Ayan!
Kain na. Kain na, Ayi.
I thought it was going past for a second.
12 o'clock na.
Do you think there's still so many time left?
Oo. 30 minutes pa. Bago dumating.
No, I mean after I eat.
Depende. Pag binilisan mo, kung tatagalan mo kumain, wala na.
You're still gonna air fry it? Bakit?
Kulang pa eh. Sa akin yung kanin. Yan. Ganito. Ha? O, kumain ka na. Okay na to, ganitong kanin. Ha?
Pwede.
Pwede.
Why you sound like that?
Anong sound?
Sabi mo pwede.
Okay na to, no? 4?
Opo.
Okay. Ayan, ito. Magbe-bake tayo.
Ha? Diyan sa air fry? Saan ito sa oven?
Pwede na dito.
Eh, paano?
Ito, lalagyan mo lang ng parchment paper.
Alam ko ano, sa oven namin.
Ilan nito? Hindi ko sabing bilangin mo. Ilan nito ang babaunan mo?
Oh! I thought how many.
Di ba gusto mo to?
Opo. I thought you said how many is this?
Sabi ko, ilan nito? Hindi, ilan ito?
Ha?
Magkaiba yun.
It sounds the same.
Ilan?
4?
Okay, 4.
Where are you gonna put the orange?
Dito.
Saan? Eh di yung cookies.
Dito.
Bakit?
Bag. And
Hindi
it...
na kasa.
Hindi na ba? Pati X na. Yung isa na lang. Ayan o. Cookies.
Wait, sayo mo muna pagka...
Kasya to. Omi to. Kailangan magkasya. Ayun o. Oh, ito yung lang.
Check muna. Kala ko you're just gonna do yung parang dito. Sa side.
I-try ko lang. Hindi kasya. Hindi na kasya. Ayun o. See?
Oh.
Kulang ng space.
Tapos may spoon and fork pa. Dade.
Sa labas mo na ilagay yung spoon and fork. May cover naman yun. Wala. Hindi kasya. Ziplock na lang.
Ziplock? Sige. I ready to brush my hair.
Okay. Kunwari lang. Diba? Tapos na. Kumain ka na. Hindi ka nagdala ng libro ngayon. Para sa locker mo, nasa yung padlock.
Sa bag ko.
Okay.
I already wrote yung locker number tapos
Mm.
yung...
Hindi, ibig ko sabihin sana dinala mo na lahat ng mo, libro mo. Tapos ilalagay mo na dun. Tapos yung mga kailangan mo, yun na lang iuwi mo. Kumain ka na dyan, bilisan mo. Ayan ang nangyari sa kanya. Nagkamali ako. Hindi ko nalagyan ng space maigi. Dapat pala yung isa dito, isa dito, isa dito, isa dito. Napa-flat pala siya ng flat na flat. Eh, dito ko nalagay, tapos dito, tapos dito, tapos dito. Ayan, nagsama-sama siya. Nag-voltas 4 siya. Nag-voltas 4, hindi 5. O, tingnan mo.
Lang. What's that?
Ano? Cookie pie.
How am I gonna eat that?
Yan mo na, first try ko pa lang naman. Pero, i-break ko na lang yan.
Okay.
Mm.
I thought I will eat it lahat.
Ano to, ire-rest ko muna ng konti. Tapos, lalagay ko na sa baunan. Pero, okay na siya. Ayan, okay na nga.
What's that called again? Yun isa, yung orange sa capsule.
Vitamin C.
Opo. Just in case if I didn't say that, I'll just...
Dumikit lang naman siya, pero magkakahiwalay pa rin. Separate pa din sila. Freshly baked cookies.
Pag hindi kasi sa bag na lang,
Pwede na yun. Ang gusto mo, tsaka Milo. Yan na sila, Kuya Edward.
tubig.
Tubig na lang muna. Double chocolate ka ng...
Sabi mo ano,
Okay na yan.
gusto mo sa chocolate. Then,
Wag na pala. I changed my mind. Tomorrow na lang mag-chaki or Milo. Ayun na yata. Bilis na. Kaya ate.
bye.
Study hard. Pray hard.
I thought you said rain hard.
Sige na.
Good morning, guys. Bukas kasi pasukan na ni Louie. So, ayusin ko na yung mga gamit niya. Lalagyan ko na ng mga sticker to. Good thing, meron ng plastic cover yung mga notebook. Bali, yung books na lang niya, yung babalutin natin. Eh, 4 lang naman to. Tapos, ang ninipis lang. So, madali lang to. Ang bilis ng pasukan na agad. So, yun. Nandito pa naman yung aking extra. Maliit masyado to. Mga extra plastic cover.
Pwede na ba?
Pwede pa ba to?
Oo.
Na ano yun?
Pero pag may mga topi na talaga, huwag na.
Ito pinito. Sige, lagyan muna natin ng mga name, tapos subject. Meron ba akong pentel pen? Ang cute ng suot ko, no? Bigay ito ni Kring eh. Disgust. Tapos meron pang anger. Yung anger, isusuot ko lang yun pag mainit ulo ko, ganyan. Para alam nila dito na galit ako ngayong araw. So, yun. Ito na kasi yung schedule nila, Louie. Suot ko lang yung mga subject niya. So, ang pasok nila, alam, mas matagal na talaga sila. Hanggang 4:30 na si Louie. Mas matagal nang wala si Louie dito. Dati kasi 3 yung dismissal niya. Ngayon, 4:30. Hello. Tapos, online class niya is Tuesday. Si Ate Ayi ang online class Monday. Ang saya nga kapag usually, di ba pag Monday, parang hirap na hirap tayo. Kasi, Monday na naman, ganyan. Pag Monday, online class si Ate Ayi, hindi ko kailangan bumangon ng maaga. So, parang feeling ko ang haba ng ng weekend ko pag ganun. Wala ang Luisito ng hanggang 4:30. Walang maldita dito sa bahay. Ano naman, baka umiyak na naman ako bukas. Okay, language. Sinusulat ko kasi yung mga ilalagay kong subject. Math, meron siya eh. Math notebook, hindi kailangan dahil meron sila mismo nakalagay na subject. Math notebook, tsaka geometry. Grabe, grade 2. Geometry. So, ang kailangan lang is language, Filipino, PE Scouting. Parang di naman nila kailangan ng notebook sa PE Scouting. Geography, Zoology, History, Botany, Filipino, Music Arts. Alam ko may music notebook sila eh. Ayan, may music notebook sila. So, hindi ko na siya kailangan gawan. Character Education. Okay, ito lang. Language, Filipino, Geography, Zoology, History, Botany, Filipino, Math, Geometry, hindi kailangan. Music Arts, hindi kailangan. Character Education. Yun lang. So yun guys, sinusulatan ko lang tong DARD nila. Yung mga school information. Ang ganda pala nito. Gamit ko yun sa Muji na ballpen. 0.3. Ganda, para siyang GTEC. Hi guys, kakatapos ko lang ayusin yung mga gamit ni Louie. So, lahat kompleto na, naka-ready na rin yung bag niya, yung mga gamit niya. Kakauwi lang din ni Ate Ayi and hindi nakapag-lunch daw si Ate Ayi. Kasi nakalimutan na naman yung spoon and fork. Ewan ko, si Al kasi nag-asikaso. Hindi kasi ako makatayo kanina. Gumising nga ako alas 4, pero sobrang sakit talaga ng katawan ko dahil nga dun sa ginawa kong workout nung gabi. Kaya nakiusap ako kay Al, baka pwedeng siya na lang muna. Sabi ni Ate Ay, Daddy, nakalimutan mo na naman yung spoon and fork. Oh no! So di siya nakapag-lunch. Consistent yun. Kahit last year pag si Al yung nag-aasikaso, lagi nakakalimutan yung spoon and fork. Ang problema pa, hindi din siya nakakain ng lunch sa canteen kasi pwede naman sana siyang bumili sa canteen. Kaso wala din, hindi rin nadala yung wallet ni Ate Ayi. Hindi siya nakakain, kawawa naman. Ang kinain lang daw niya is yung pang snack lang daw, pero lunch hindi nga siya nakakain. Maghapon pa naman siya sa school. Ina-upload ko lang tong isang vlog. So yan, kaya pawis na pawis ako kasi kakatapos ko lang ulit mag-workout. After kong gawin yung mga gamit ni Louie, nag-workout na ako diretso. Tapos ito, i-upload ko na to. Then, pahinga lang saglit, kahit mga 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Actually, ito na yung pahinga ko, yung pag-upo ko dito. Maliligo na ako. First day of school na ni Ate Louie bukas. No, wala na sila pareho dito. Naku, umiiyak naman si Oli. Wait lang. Ayun, gawin ko lang tong thumbnail. August, ano ba yan? Wait lang guys ha. So ayan, nagpapatulong lang si Ate Ayi. Reviewin ko daw siya sa branch of science. Okay.
I already memorized the laboratory tools, I think.
Okay. Sa physical science tayo.
Kahit ano,
Start. Okay, branches of science. Applied science.
applied science. Like technology, mga technology and stuff.
Yeah. Ay, anong sabi mo? Hanggang saan lang yung alam mo? Social science?
Applied science. Yung mga branches.
Applied science muna tayo. The study of farming.
Agriculture.
Okay.
Correct ba?
Yes. The study of designing, building, and operating robots and machines.
Robotics.
Also known as aqua farming, is the farming of aquatic organisms.
Aquaculture.
Good job. Science of managing forests, tree, plantations, and related natural resources.
Botany.
No. Forest.
Forest zoology.
Forest, yun yung ano, yun yung
What is
simple
it?
lang ate. Forestry.
Forestry.
Yes. Basta yun yung ano mo, forest.
Forestryology.
Yun yung code mo. Forestry.
Forgot.
Yun nga, forestry.
Oh, that's the name.
Oo.
Oh,
Ulitin mo, forestry.
forestry, the study of.
Science of managing forest, tree. Okay? The study of preventing, curing, and treating diseases.
Medicine.
Okay. Physical science. The study of heavenly bodies.
Astronomy.
The study of matter.
Matter.
Its properties and chemical reactions. Chemical.
Chemistry.
Okay. The study of heavenly bodies. Ay, isa pala. The study of volcanoes.
Volcanology.
Yung sabi ko kanina. Ano?
Volcanology.
Okay.
Volcanology. You thought it was a joke.
Yeah. The study of earthquakes. Letter S.
S. What's next?
Seismology.
Oh.
Again, the study of earthquakes.
Seismology.
The study of weather.
Meteorology. Meteorology.
The study of earthquakes.
Sociology.
No, seismology.
Seismology.
Biological science. The study of plant and animal cells.
Botany.
No.
Cellology. Cytology.
Yan. Again, the study of earthquakes.
Seismology.
Okay. The study of birds.
I can't pronounce it. I know what is it. Ornithology.
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 The study of plant and animal cells.
Cytology.
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 Again, the study of birds.
Ornithology. Ornithology.
The study of plant and animal cells.
Cytology.
The study of birds.
Ornithology.
The study of the functions and relationships of body parts. Body parts.
Angiology.
Physiology.
Physiology.
One lo lang, not two lolo.
Physiology.
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 The study of birds.
Ornithology.
No. Ornithology.
Ornithology.
Ornithology. The study of plant and animal cells. Again, ulitin mo yung cytology.
Cytology.
Repeat it 10 times.
Cytology. 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 Cytology.
The study of birds.
Ornithology.
The study of plant and animal cells.
Cytology.
The study of birds. Hindi tayo aalis dito.
Ornithology.
Again?
Ornithology.
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 Repeat it 10 times again. Ornithology.
Ornithology.
Orni.
Ornithology. 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 Ornithology.
Orni.
Ornithology.
Oh.
Ornithology. 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 Ornithology.
The study of plant and animal cells.
Cytology.
The study of birds.
Ornithology.
Yun! The study of plant and animal cells.
Cytology.
Yun! The study of tissues.
Histology.
Yeah.
The one that sounds like history.
The study of plant and animal cells.
Cytology.
The study of birds.
Ornithology.
Okay. The study of tissues.
Histology.
Okay. The study of fishes.
Aquaculture.
Ayan, ano yan? Ano yung ginagawa mo? Ganyan. Oh, ano yung tawag dyan? Oh, it's
Etiology.
Paano ba kasi? Ichthyology. Ichthyology. Basta pag the study of fishes is, lagi mo tatandaan. Ichthyology. Ichthyology ba o ichthyology? O basta yon. Basta parang itchy. Ganon, okay? The study of plant and animal cells, ate.
Why do you keep going?
Para maano mo, kasi dun ka medyo
Cytology.
Okay. See? The study of birds.
Ornithology.
Fishes.
Etiology.
Pati ako na, Ichthyology.
Wait, are you still stuck at biological?
Yes, kasi medyo ka dito, nahirapan ka. Ichthyology.
Etiology.
Again.
Etiology.
Yology. Yology. Yo. Yology. HT.
It's the theology.
Good job. Social science. The study of government.
Politics.
The study of society and social relationships. Social.
Sociology.
Again.
Sociology.
Not yo. Sociology.
Sociology.
Kahit ako hindi ko alam. Sociology.
Sociology.
The study of human mind and behavior.
Anthropology.
No. Human behavior.
Psychology.
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 Again.
Psychology.
Basta pag mind and behavior, psychology ate. Okay? The study of how people use resources.
Anthropology.
No. The study of how people use resources. Eh?
Economics.
Okay. The study of human races. Origins.
Anthropology.
Okay.
Yan.
The study of society and social relationships.
Sociology.
The study of human mind and behavior. Psy.
Psychology.
The study of human mind and behavior.
Psychology.
The study of birds.
Ornithology.
The study of fishes.
Histology.
Eh, pag fishes,
Oh, yeah.
kunyari, fishes, may allergy ka, it's so.
Etiology.
The study of plant and animal cells. Tamo, nakalimutan mo na ulit. Again, cells. Animal cells. Ano?
Cytology.
Cytology. Cytology lang.
Cytology.
Again,
Cytology.
tissues.
Histology.
Fishes.
Etiology.
Earthquakes. And do it. Sismo.
Seismology.
Sismo. No, walang yo.
Sismo.
Saan mo ba nakakukuha yung YOLO? Saan ba may YOLO dito?
You keep saying YOLO. I keep getting mixed up.
Ah, sa Ichiology. Doon ka na stuck sa YOLO. Kaya nahanap ko eh. Ichiology. Yun lang yung mayo, ate. Sa study of fishes. Yun lang yung mayo. Okay? Ichiology.
Is this a cat?
Ichthyology pala. Ichthyology. Hirap naman kasi. Study of earthquakes.
Seismology.
Okay. Alam mo na ha? Okay na? O, iba naman. What is meteorology?
The study of weathers.
Seismology.
The study of earthquakes.
Astronomy.
The study of heavenly body or space.
Volcanology.
The study of volcanoes.
Chemistry.
The study of chemicals, matter,
Properties. And
chemicals,
reactions.
react.
Biological science. Ornithology.
The study of birds.
Cytology.
The study of human and the animal cells
Plant and animal.
and animal.
Plant and animal.
Plant and animal.
Okay, again, cytology.
The study of plants, animals, and humans.
No, walang human natin.
Plants and animals of cells.
Animal cells.
Animal cells.
Physiology. Functions and relationships of body parts.
Oh.
Tama ako, physiology. Physiology. Ayan o.
Oh.
Again.
Physio-
Physiology is
the study of functions
and relationship.
and relationships.
What is physiology?
The
Physiology.
functions and relationships of the body parts.
Okay. Histology.
The study of cells, like tissues.
Ichthyology.
The study of physics.
Social science, sociology.
The study of social needs.
Society
Society needs.
and social relationships.
The study of society and social relationship.
Anthropology is
The study of human races, culture, and history.
origin.
Oh,
Politics.
the study of government.
Psychology.
The study of human minds,
and
relationships,
behavior. Again.
the study of humans mind and behavior, the
Economics.
study of people's buildings and stuff.
People use resources.
People use resources.
Yes. Applied science, robotics.
The study of robots,
Designing,
robots.
building, and operating robots. Agriculture is
The study of farming.
medicine is
The study of diseases, cures, and
treating diseases.
treating diseases.
Preventing, curing, and treating
Diseases.
diseases. Aquaculture,
The study of the ocean or
aquatic organisms.
organisms.
Aquatic organisms.
Aquatic organisms.
It is also known as aqua farming.
Oh,
Aqua farming. Yun yung ano mo ha. Forestry last.
the study of forest.
Managing forest.
Managing forest.
Tree plantations and related natural resources. Okay?
Okay.
Okay na yan ate? Very good ka na.
I just
Kaya mo
yung
na.
mga branches of science.
Asan?
Dito,
Kaya nga. Okay na. Alam mo na lahat. Good job. Babe.
gonna review the rest.
Okay.